back our channel. Look at it. Open this.
Yep. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we're gonna open this wooden jigsaw puzzle that we got on Amazon. Thanks for the seller sending what we have.
Hi. What's that?
Submarine.
Submarine, turtle, airplane, owl,
Ladybug.
ladybug,
Yeah. Which one do you like best?
car one.
The car one? Of course you like the car one. Got all the pieces. Which one do you want to fix first?
Car one.
Okay. Do you need help?
Yeah. Look at my one.
No, that doesn't go there. If you're stuck, you can always look back at this box. Good job!
Now this one.
A submarine?
Yeah.
Okay.
That.
Mm-hmm. Try it. Good job. One more piece. That green one, huh?
What's that?
Yeah, where's it? Do you guys see it? Yep.
What's right to turtle?
Yeah, it's right by the turtle face.
I
Good job. Whoa.
am really silly.
You're really silly.
I found it.
Yay!
No,
We
next
did the airplane.
one. Huh?
We're done with the airplane. 3 more to go. Which one are you gonna do now?
Turtle.
Turtle? Okay. Let's see how fast you do it. Whoa, you're really fast. Good job. Now we're gonna do
Owl.
owl. Wow, that is a cute owl.
Now next one.
What is that?
Bugs.
Ladybug.
Ladybug. What?
Yep.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Yay! Yay, you did it! High five!
Now one more try.
Good job! Now we can close it from the top. Like that. And you can take it wherever you want.
Let's put the details
Right?
back.
So it's a perfect little bag. Like this awesome wooden jigsaw puzzle, put the link below and you could buy it from Amazon. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.
Bye bye. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye bye.